Sarkar Meghalaya mentakasi kalayat hu, bahkan sepenpenano ya kajing penlong ya Meghalaya Teachers Eligibility Test hakin ki suppose ni ki banwan. Ya kanele itu du menteri ki kam katok kapuli ka Meghalaya. Habakren hakin nong tokot kubor ubalak men rumbuyo le itu baka sarkar kan sepenmi ya kajing penbena bakitu ki bala paisa ke MTED bat yoro ki certificate kinam hapshu bani ya le ki examen MTED namar bakate ka certificate kalong na kabentashi jing im. Ulaong bakinu-kinu ki bala pas kila ban yakun ki kam hikai bapalong ka District School Education Office.
The MTED exam, in fact, we have already published the itinerary for the exam, but due to COVID, we have postponed it. So now, with the opening up of this, all the office, this and that, so in maybe next week, in 10 days, then the new notification will come to fix the date. And one more important thing which I want to tell is that before the maximum validity of those who have already passed their exam is from 3 to 7 years. But recent notification from the NCTE, they have given that the MTED qualification will be valid for lifetime. So this also notification from the government of Meghalaya will be come up this week, so that the students who have already passed their MTED, they didn't have to do it again. So it is valid for lifetime. Those they have to apply again whenever there is a vacancy. The SDSEO will again call the application. They have to apply again. So based on that, they will. But as I said, they didn't have to appear again because the MTED certificate which they have already got, they have written is valid for 2 years or 3 years, I don't remember exactly, but it is valid for life.